Bernie. Cold out here. It's been cold the past couple of days. So they're all pissed. You guys all pissed? You guys ain't been able to do nothing. Huh, Earl? You guys haven't been able to terrorize the neighborhood. Look at Meowser. Look, watch him. Hey, stop! Meowser. That's what he does. Would you stop? He doesn't do it very hard. But he does that whenever he gets the chance. Why are you such an ass? He won't do it to Bernie, though. He only does it to Early and Mama Kitty he'll mess with. I haven't really seen him mess with Black Kitty. Black Kitty will stand up for himself. And so will Bernie, so Meowser really doesn't do it. It's funny, he's so bad. And you know, when I pet him, he'll get all fired up and mad. Look, he's gonna go after Mama Kitty now. Oh, that's funny. Just an ass. And you know, before he was fixed, when he first started coming around, I mean, he chased Early up the trees and stuff. I mean, he was a menace. He just didn't know no better. He thought that's what cats are supposed to do. I thought I was supposed to fight everything I seen. Every male cat's fair game. He's just a wild man. His fur's growing back on his bum. Oh, Black Kitty. Black Kitty got a little bald spot too. I don't know how that happened. What are you doing, buddy? He's been here for probably about 4 weeks now. The only time he runs away when cut the grass, and that's about it. He's pretty cool. You could see the white hairs peppered throughout his fluff. Oh, buddy. You got some white hairs going on. Like all throughout his coat, there's white hairs. What are you doing, buddy? He likes to play. That's why he runs from me, because he uses it as like a play tactic. I'll pet him in the morning when I bring food out. But at nighttime, he'll run when I try to pet him. But he better start warming up, because he's getting a collar, he needs his flea meds, he needs to go to the vet again for a checkup and his shots. Hi, Meows. What is your problem? So bad. I will. Willow still misses Snoopy, huh, Will? Willow's still depressed about Snoopy. We all are, Will. Snoopy was cool. I might get another dog sooner or later. Alright, Meows, I think you've had enough. You've caused enough damage for the day. Let me burn. You guys chill.